Ollie Over Obstacles, a skateboarding phrase explained. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that comes straight from the world of skateboarding. Ollie over obstacles. This expression is not just about sports. It's a vibrant part of English slang that encapsulates the idea of overcoming challenges. Whether you're a skateboarding enthusiast or someone looking to enrich your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's get started. The term ollie is fundamental in skateboarding. It refers to a basic trick where the skateboarder jumps into the air without the use of their hands, making the skateboard stick to their feet. Invented in the late 1970s by Alan "Ollie" Gelfand, this trick has become the cornerstone of many other skateboarding maneuvers. It represents the skater's ability to defy gravity momentarily and showcases their skill in controlling the board. In skateboarding, obstacles refer to any physical hindrances that a skater might encounter in their path. These can range from simple curbs and railings to more complex structures like stairs and ramps. Overcoming these obstacles is a crucial part of skateboarding, pushing the sport's creative and athletic boundaries. It's not just about navigating through them but also about using these obstacles to perform tricks, adding a layer of challenge and excitement to the ride. While ollie over obstacles has a literal meaning in skateboarding, it also carries a significant metaphorical weight. It symbolizes the idea of overcoming challenges or difficulties in life. Just as a skateboarder maneuvers over physical barriers, individuals can apply this mindset to tackle personal, professional, or emotional obstacles. This phrase encourages resilience, adaptability, and the courage to face challenges head-on, making it a powerful metaphor for personal growth and perseverance. And there you have it, the essence of ollie over obstacles, unfolded. Whether you see it as a skateboarding technique or a life philosophy, this phrase embodies the spirit of overcoming challenges with skill, creativity, and courage. We hope this exploration enriches your understanding of English slang and inspires you to tackle your own obstacles with the same enthusiasm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep pushing your limits, both on and off the skateboard.